Refer to the instructions found in your collection pack for preparation steps you must take before you begin your collection. Write your date of birth and the date of collection on the labels provided. Attach a completed label to each of the 5 tubes. Day 1. Wearing the gloves, collect your stool sample in the tray. Do not let urine or water from the toilet get into the sample. Transfer stool sample into the green top tube using the built-in scoop. Collect from different areas of the sample. Take 3 level scoops of stool. For liquid stools, collect 6 level scoops of stool. Mix the sample with the liquid in the tube until it is as smooth as possible. Screw the cap on tightly and shake the tube for 30 seconds. Dispose of the remaining stool into the toilet, then throw away the collection tray and gloves. Set the tube aside until day 2. Day 2, repeat the steps you performed on day 1 using the green top tube. Set the tube aside until day 3. Dispose of the remaining stool into the toilet, then throw away the collection tray and gloves. Day 3. Repeat the steps you performed on day 1 using the green top tube. Now collect the orange top, pink top, and clear top tubes to the fill lines. Collect from different areas of the sample. Mix the samples in the tubes until they are as smooth as possible. Screw the caps on tightly and shake the tubes for 30 seconds. Open the swab package, but leave the swab in the sleeve until you are ready to collect the sample. Open the small tube and place it upright on a flat surface. Grasp the swab above the middle notch. Insert the tip of the swab into the stool sample and twist until it is evenly coated in stool. Do not spoon or scoop the specimen with the swab. This would collect too much stool and may cause testing errors. Mash and mix the swab tip against the inside of the tube. Break the swab stick at the middle notch, leaving the swab inside the tube. Screw the cap on tightly. Place all tubes inside the biohazard bag and refrigerate until ready to ship. Do not freeze. Dispose of the remaining stool into the toilet, then throw away the collection tray and gloves. Visit gdx.net/activate and enter the number found on the activation label card. Refer to the back page of the printed instructions found in your collection pack for packing and shipping your collected samples.